Okay, so now we have our pages with our placeholder, which we made with the a blog post template earlier. So now we have the place we want to build out our blog posts to. So we have the individual information for each one of these. This is where the context comes into play, where we have the slug being passed to the page. So if we take a look at the first one, Hello World, and then we go to our Graphical Explorer, and this means we can query things like MDX, and in there we'd want to have fields, which is part of the slug, and we want the slug to equals bigger. Slug to equals the path. So for now, let's just do this, and in some curly braces, and front matter, and then we're going to want the title and the date. Let's run that. So we have our post when passing in the path. So we're going to want to do that for the blog post template, but for each one of the posts, we're going to need to pass in this value. So you can do that with queries in GraphQL. So I think we can do it in here as well. If we name this as, I think it's $, and slug. I think we've got a query, and then in oops. And then in here we need to pass in the type of what slug is, and slug is a string, which is required. That's what the exclamation is for. And then down here in the query variables, if we open up some parentheses and do control space, and we get slug, and then I think we can pass in that, hit control enter, we get the same data come on here. So basically we need this now in our blog post template. So let's go here, and we're going to want to use Gatsby GraphQL, Gatsby. And we're going to do like what we've done on the index page here. At the bottom, we're going to create a GraphQL query. Okay, and we're going to export query equal GraphQL backticks and copy pasta. Let's give it a better name though. Post by blog. And if we hit save, they're pretty doing a nice job for us with that. Oh, we're also going to need the body for the post, but I left it out on here because MDX does lots of what is this? It attaches a lot of information to that, so we're going to need to. Oh no, it's an error. Why is it an error? Name. At the Explorer. Here it is, body. No, it's in the filter here. This looks like it. Okay. Oh, I'll put it the Explorer again, and take a look at the body. It's just a big function which we're going to pass into MDX. You can see down here we've got all the information escaped for MDX to work with. So let's put that in place we've got in here. Okay, so now we are ready to start putting some information in our template here. So we're going to want the data, and MDX renderer from Gatsby MDX, Gatsby plugin MDX, and MDX renderer, and the layout. We'll want to wrap the post in the layout. So we're going to import layout from our components layout. Okay. Okay, so this can go in here, layout. I should have renamed that, but never mind. Okay, and we're going to want to get some information from this data object. So I'm going to say const, and this is going to come from data.mdx. It's basically this. And we're going to want front matter and the body. Click. So we're going to want to place our P with a H1, and at H1 it's going to be the front matter title, and P with the date, front matter date, in some curly braces. And then we're going to want to use the MDX renderer for the body. Save that. Take a look. See what we got. Cool. So there we have our posts being rendered as markdown with MDX renderer, but we're going to come into some issues with this when we do things like previous and next, but we'll work on that in the next video. Thanks, Em.